All right, guys, this video is going to be short. If your representatives do not stand up for this, they need to go. Okay? Hear me out. A normal person trading on insider information goes to prison. Look at what Congress has done. Look at how many of these people beat the SPY. The SPY is like the most successful trading instrument to ever exist, and they're beating it. I wonder how they would beat that. Maybe because they have insider information to basically everything, and they make decisions on it. Listen, both sides of the aisle have a problem, okay? I want to be clear on that. I'm not trying to get political and push one narrative over another. Both of them are full of shit. Both of them take advantage of it. But Pelosi is the most powerful name that is misrepresenting this and is like, nah, we should be able to do that. You want to know why? Because Pelosi's husband is like the best trader ever if you go analyze his trades. You guys have seen that. If not, go look him up. The fact McCarthy is getting behind this makes me laugh, right? Like, because it's so unpopular an opinion. 76% of Americans want this. Every link is down in the description. Hold your representatives accountable. Yes, they should be banned from trading stocks, and I'm all about freedom in that. But you know what? If normal people go to prison for insider trading, so should Congress. That's all I gotta say. Love you guys. See you again soon.